After a year of hard use, my Gen Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is completely different from where it started. I'm showing you the only mods that survived, and the rest, and even some popular ones, they ended up in the trash. I tried everything, from cheap Amazon parts to high-end purpose-built gear. So today we're cutting through all the hype. These are the only mods that survived a year of real-world abuse. This is the 4th generation Toyota Tacoma mod video you've been waiting for. All right, now let's kick things off with what actually stayed on the truck. These crazy, insane, hulked out pod lights from Auxbeam are not just for distance ahead at night. They also have ditch light side shooters, 2 lights in one. Next up is also from Auxbeam, my rock lights. Whether you're rock crawling or mall styling, these rock lights are unbelievable, and I can get you a discount on anything Auxbeam, including my pod lights. Head over to SmokyMountainTaco.com. Go check out the sponsor page for details. Next up is my Desert Does It setup. You can see I got the seat jackers installed, and for the 4th generation, they are stackable. And I have the front multi-mount panel installed. And if you're going to have the front multi-mount panel installed, you're going to need both of them. So you can see I got magnetic mounts. I got another knife here. Got a fire extinguisher right here. Let's roll this back. And I got a flashlight mounted here. Now this is the right angle bracket with a clockable extension. And you can see I've got a strobe light and a pin light right here. And it's magnetically mounted over here. I really love this thing. I can change this around and bring this up if I want, store a firearm. Now here's an honest first impressions clip of the Desert Does It seat jackers on the 4th Gen Tacoma. All right, let's try out the seat jackers for the first time on the 4th Gen Tacoma on a 25 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. Let's see what it feels like. Wow, that's really impressive. Even on a 4th Gen Tacoma, that actually feels good, even with powered seats. This is staying. The ARC mud flaps are a definite must-have mod, and they are staying. They will protect your paint. Mud and debris will stay off your truck. Also from ARC are their splash guards. They'll protect your engine bay on the road or on the trail. Oh, the other thing that's staying is this little contraption right here. This is the handiest thing. I can just drop my keys right in there and I know where they're at. Up here, I've still got my radar detector mount, and it's hooked in, and it's hooked into this panel back here, and it's a clean install. There's no dangling wires or anything. Another mod I kept is screen protect. There is no glare on this screen whatsoever. It also protects this area over in here, and even your gauge cluster. Other interior mods I've kept are the last fit floor mats. I've been off-roading today, as you can tell, and these things will keep mud and everything else from getting in here. You can see how dirty they are, but under here, clean as a whistle. And this is one reason why I like last fit floor mats. And the other thing I've kept in here is the Musology mods. I have these cup holders. They're silicone based, and oh my goodness, just cleaning it out. You can take it out and wash it out. I've got this little contraption here from Musology, and this cover here, and then the console safe. I love this console safe. Thing that did stay was this Musology cover for the console. I love this. It's got a nice truck emblem on that. This area down in here, you can see it. There's a straw paper, and it's actually caught it. Over here, this has come in handy here. It's got a storage area here. Now over here, this is from Toyota, and this is the scuff guard protector, and I have kept that. I love that. It does a pretty good job of protection here. Other mods I've kept are Tough Skins inserts in the door panel. It's over there on that door over there. Let's come around the other side and get a look at that really good. So you can see that, Tough Skins inserts. I've kept this from Musology. This is the handiest thing as well. It just so well, and I'm throwing stuff back here all the time. Things I've kept back here in the truck bed, I've kept my MOLLE panels on my truck bed. I love that. You can see how well that's organized, and it's OEM. and I'll be sure to link to that video down below. This last fit bed liner, I wish I would have installed it day one. It is way better than OEM. It's not flying around. And I also have the tailgate liner as well. And this is much better than what's on Amazon. And then the bed stiffeners, definitely staying on for protection. Now I've got the billy bars that I transferred over from a 3rd gen with the small molly panels. That's staying. This may or may not stay. The thing is, it's versatile because of the billy bars. I can take it off or put it back on. Traction board mounts for billy bars, staying on. Those have come in handy and you never know when you're going to need it. Next up is Expel Armor. It's a paint protection film. I saw this done with a wrap with this design at a dealership. I liked it so much, I almost walked away with a 3rd gen Tacoma. Now this will protect this entire area back here, and it is tough as nails. Next up is my Raptor lights. I love the design of it. I just can't see myself getting away from it now. This little emblem has stayed on. I have not switched it from the yellow, orange, and red. So I still may change that out, but we'll see. Now things that did not stay was that Amazon tailgate liner. That had to go. Look at this tailgate mat. It's not conforming. Look at this. It's all popping up over the end here. It looks atrocious. The next mod that had to go was the OEM bed mat. It slid around like a hockey puck in a car wash, and it was horrible to clean. So some of the things that did not stay was the hidden compartment and the molly panel that I had on here, and some of the organization pieces I had in here because it does not work with a console safe, but I would rather have this. What mods are you keeping on your 4th generation Toyota Tacoma? Let me know down in the comments below. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.